holiday gifts for weekend warriors. For those voyagers who infrequently let an end of the week go without hitting the open street or taking to the skies, we've gathered together some unquestionable requirements for culminate pressing, shoreline going, dozing, and amusement in a hurry. How long warriors are on your vacation list? We've held the costs down so you can give more for less. There's a workmanship to pressing for a short outing, there are the fundamentals, and after that there are the superfluous items that bring a component of solace and bliss to the adventure. For the incessant explorer on your rundown, these 5 things will benefit as much as possible from any end-of-the-week side trip. The bag. First of all, start with the best possible hardware. This great-looking cotton canvas weekender is sufficiently open to hold the necessities for a short outing and has numerous pockets to keep things composed, yet its best highlights might just be its cutting-edge touches, a sleeve that neglects it over a bag handle for simple transport and a zippered compartment that keeps no less than 2 sets of shoes isolate from whatever is left of your garments. Furthermore, the entire thing weighs under 2 pounds. So it's anything but difficult to sling it behind you and go, regardless of whether it's pressed to the overflow. The multitasker. With gear space at an exceptional end-of-the-week warriors require frill that do 2-fold, triple, or even 4-fold obligation, and this lightweight, high-receptiveness Turkish towel possesses all the necessary qualities. At 40x70, it's sufficiently substantial to be utilized as a shoreline towel, or as a shower towel, so far as that is concerned, yet it takes up way less room than terry material. Woven from snappy drying cotton, this thin material can likewise fill in as a wrap, a scarf, or a toss for a crisp plane, prepare, or transport ride, and it moves up to essentially nothing. That is a win-win-win-win. The wet one. Bring each and every drop out of a warm climate getaway, pack a reserve sack for a wet swimming outfit, and Turkish towel, and never renounce that last swim again. This one has a beachy, tropical print and a vinyl-covered, waterproof inside, and it's sufficiently huge to hold the sunscreen, as well. The sleep aid. On the off chance that your street warrior needs pitch-dark haziness to get a strong 8 hours of Z's, an eye cover is an unquestionable requirement pack embellishment. Of course, they could stay with that shaky complimentary gift they've been utilizing since their keep-going whole deal flight, yet this delicate, shimmery fox is a lively option. The soundtrack. We have the mixed drinks secured, however what's an occasion without the tunes? This waterproof, drop confirmation Bluetooth speaker times in at just shy of 4x4 and weighs not as much as a pound, offering colossal, bass, overwhelming sound in a little, silicone elastic wrapped bundle. With 6 hours of battery life, a tear-safe flash for without hands transportability, and an application that can control the volume, match another speaker, and switch between music libraries in different gadgets, it'll help kick the gathering off wherever they are.